Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add music to Facebook post. If you're using Facebook and now you want to add music to your Facebook post, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Facebook app, just open it, and here just select the post section, just here, select it, and here you have to select if you want to add text, photos, videos, etc. You just have to select that, and after that here you will get the music section. Just tap on it. In music you have to look for music which you want to set. If you can easily search music, here you have to select music, then select three dots, and here select music. In this way, you have to crop your music which ways you want, then tap on done, and after that, you have to create your post, and in this way, you can easily add music to your Facebook post. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.